It's time! This fight is sponsored by SpineCheese.com and is scheduled for 3 rounds. First, fighting out of the blue corner. This is a jiu-jitsu fighter with a record of 1-4. We're talking about none other than the Sasquatch, Devin Cleveland. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This is a Tartan fighter with a record of 2-3. We're talking, of course, no other than Ken the Haggis Mario. First round.
Fighters ready. Devin Cleveland, 22. Ken Monroe, 25. Fight! Yeah, the Sasquatch really needs a win in this battle. He's 1-4 at the moment.
67.
Can you say that again?
67.
Ken Monroe wins the first round, 10-9.
Round 2.
Fighters ready. Devin Cleveland, 39. Ken Monroe, 35. Fight! Now these numbers are awful close, as was that first round.
$15.
Ken Monroe wins the second round, 10-9.
The intensity goes to a third round.
Fighters ready. Devin Cleveland, 40. Ken Monroe, 45. Fight! Now, Devin needs a big round here if he's going to take this home.
40.